Hi, Bear. You coming out? We got a new addition to the Catio today. We got a free gift with something we ordered. And it's actually it's an outhouse, or not an outhouse, it's a litter box. But I don't need it as a litter box. So I thought it would make a really nice bed out here on the Catio, and I think Bear agrees. Hi, Bear. What do you think? That's all right, isn't it? There's lots of space inside to lay down. Yeah, I think that's all right for a free gift. And all I ordered was a litter pan. So I'm still waiting for the litter pan. But this was the free gift that came with it. It's sort of like a woven material. Yeah, and this little button on the door actually goes like this, and you can, malfunction. Oh dear. Anyways, it's a litter box, so that door opens right up. I just couldn't get it to behave. Hi, Bear. What do you think of it? I think Bear approves. Yeah, it's a nice filtered light in there. And they can even get up on top of it and lay down or sit. Could put a little pillow in there. Yeah, so that was a nice surprise. Usually these little free gift things don't amount to much, but I kind of like it. At first I didn't think the MaineCoons would be able to get inside, but it's got a good sized doorway. And as you know, cats are liquid. Yeah, they can get into small places because their shoulder bones are not attached to them. They're sort of floating in the muscle in there and tendons, and yeah, so they can get into small places because their shoulders can kind of collapse. Yeah. It's kind of a neat feature of your furry friend. Well, look at him. I think Bear likes it. I think he's claimed it. That's awesome. Yep, and here we are outside today. It's super nice out. Hot. Really glad we got this screen up. It makes a big difference when we're sitting out here. Beautiful, beautiful day. And yeah, well, thank you so much for joining us on the Catio this afternoon and checking out the little free gift sleeping cabin. See you tomorrow.